Hey guys! In this video today I will show you how to create a sustainable travel kit using eco-friendly and zero-waste products, and these are actually not only for traveling but for everyday. And this is not a promotional post, I'm just sharing my favorite zero-waste and eco-friendly products I use every day. We all know how harmful plastic is to our environment, so most of these products will be plastic-free and reusable. And I'm not telling you to eliminate all the plastics from your life and go zero waste, that would be nice, but these products are perfect for a great start to reduce your plastic waste. And stay till the end if you always struggle how to reduce the liquids while you're traveling with a carry-on, because I will show you how to replace this with this. And if you're new to the channel, hey, welcome! I'm Aliz, the creator of Aliz's Wonderland travel blog and YouTube channel, and I always share useful travel guides, tips and tricks, so stay tuned! And you can also subscribe. And now it's time to check out these zero waste products and bathroom essentials. I'll put all the links down for you in the description so you can check them out. And let's start with the Lush shampoo bar. Nowadays many brands produce shampoo bars, though I find my favorites in Lush because they have shampoo bar for every kind of hair. My hair can get greasy easily, so the Lush team recommended me this yellow shampoo bar, which is made mainly from lemon oil, and sometimes I change it to this one, which is for sensitive skin. First I had concerns that this won't be as effective as the normal shampoo, but I'm totally satisfied with all of them, and one of these can last for 2, 3, even 4 months, depends on how often do you wash your hair. And Lush was also thinking about how to store these. They created this round tin and the shampoo bar fits perfectly in it, so you don't have to worry that your toiletry bag will be wet. It's super easy to use, just have to wet your hands and the shampoo bar, rub it between your hands and spread the foam on your hair, or you can directly massage your hair with the shampoo bar and then just wash your hair as you would normally do. And now let's check out the pros and the cons. As I said, it's super easy to use, it's solid, so it doesn't count as a liquid while you're traveling. It's available for an affordable price and lasts very long. For example, I think I'm using this 2 months ago, and when it becomes this small and you accidentally drop it, it can break, so don't drop it. Okay, let's continue with another Lush product. If I don't have time to wash my hair, I use this dry shampoo between 2 washes. This is a bigger bottle, but it's also available in a smaller one, but this lasts for years. And it's made from natural ingredients like all of the Lush products. You just have to spread the powder on the bottom of your hair, but this bottle is kind of big, so it's harder to control the amount of the powder coming out from the bottle. But I have a trick for you, what I learned from Kiki, the Blondie Abroad travel blogger. So you can put the dry shampoo into the smaller jar. It's so much easier to apply the dry shampoo with the used makeup brush. Okay, and let's check out the pros and the cons. As I said, this lasts for years, so you can purchase it for an affordable price or even the smaller bottle. And it's not that easy to apply, but with some additional accessories you can apply it easier. And this is not a zero waste product because it comes in a recycled plastic, but you can also recycle this later. But this next one is totally zero waste. These are reusable and washable makeup removal pads, and this set contains 4 scrubby and 12 soft pads, which are made of bamboo and cotton. It works the same way as the normal cotton pads, you just don't have to throw them away. and it's super easy to wash. You just have to put it into your washing machine, and you can wash it at 40 and even on 60 degrees, and even with colorful clothes. And now let's talk about the pros and the cons. As I said, it's super easy to use, it's washable, reusable, durable, but these are only good to remove your makeup and clean your face. So I still use cotton pads time by time to clean my nail polish. We are talking about makeup removal, so let's continue with this Naked Facial Cleansing Balm by Lush. They offer many types with different ingredients. I chose this one because its main ingredient is Toothy oil, which has an anti-inflammatory effect, so it's perfect for my skin. It's super easy to use. When this balm reaches your warm skin, it softens, so you can just glide over your face and then clean your face with the damp towel or the previously mentioned cotton pads. And to remove the makeup, I just put these bamboo cotton pads into hot water and rub the cleansing bar on its surface and then remove my makeup as usual. So, is it worth buying this Naked Facial Cleansing Balm? Definitely yes, because it's easy to use, it's available for an affordable price, it's solid, so it doesn't count as a liquid while you're traveling. Though if you're traveling to a tropical place, it can melt easily, so make sure to keep it on a dry place. And if you push it too much, it can break, so don't push it too much. Okay, let's continue with the reusable silicone cotton swab created by LastObject. The concept of LastObject and this LastSwab is just extraordinary. The silicone cotton swab comes in this very stylish plant-based and biodegradable case, and I had very high hopes for this product because I imagine that for the rest of my life I don't have to use single-use plastic Q-tips, and their website is full of positive reviews, so I ordered one for myself and one for my boyfriend. But none of us is totally satisfied because the concept is great. This case is available in many colors, but the silicone cotton swab cannot clean as well as the normal cotton swab, which I guess absorbs the earwax, and this doesn't. So I just have to clean more times. Sometimes I'm still using cotton pads, but not plastic ones. This is made from wood. I know it's still a single use, but at least it's not plastic. And as I said, it's a great product, a great concept. It's easy to clean, it's available for an affordable price and many colors. And LastObject also created the Beauty Swab, which has a different ending and it's designed to correct your makeup. I still recommend this product because this is a great concept. Its only disadvantage that it doesn't clean as well as the cotton swab. Let's go on with another LastObject product. This is the LastTissue, which is basically a silicone case with 6 tissues. So this silicone case is available in many colors, and it was designed in a super smart way because at the same time you can store your clean and dirty tissues in it. So you just remove the clean tissue from the bottom, you use it, you put the dirty one on the top by pushing down this silicone element, which will divide the clean and the dirty tissues. That's it. So you don't have to worry where to store your dirty tissues. The tissues are made of 100% organic cotton, and if you check the edges, the sewing is a bit rough, so it's not that soft as I thought it would be, but it still works completely fine because it's washable, durable, reusable, and I think this one replaces more than 3000 normal tissues. Okay, let's continue with another Lush product. These toothpaste tabs are designed to replace the toothpaste, and It's not a naked package, but this is a recycled plastic, and one bottle like this contains around 100 toothpaste tabs. It's super easy to use because you just have to take one pill and chew it and just brush your teeth normally. First, I had concerns because I was worried that it won't provide the same refreshing feeling as the normal toothpaste, but it does, so I'm totally satisfied with it. But if you're checking out the price here, you will see it's not very affordable. So I'm using this only for traveling, and the other days I'm using toothpaste because it's kind of expensive. But otherwise I'm satisfied with it, and this doesn't count as a liquid while you're traveling. And now let's talk about solid deodorant bars. Lush has two types. One is Theo, which is more like a powder-based deodorant. It worked for me well, but when it became thinner, it broke, so it was super hard to use those smaller pieces. So I prefer that other type, Aromaco, which is more solid and creamy, and it's easy to use. First, to make it creamy and warmer, I always rub its surface with my fingers, and then I just rub it up and down on my armpit. First, I was afraid. At first I was afraid. So first I was afraid that it won't be as efficient as the normal deodorant. So I only tested it at home during the weekend, and it worked super well, and I wasn't smelly even after a workout. So as I mentioned previously, it's efficient, lasts for long, and it's solid, not like the normal deodorants. But its price is not that affordable, so if you just want to test it, you can ask for a smaller piece in a Lush store because they cut you as big as you want. And girls, it's time to talk about our period. First I found the menstrual cups weird, but then I had to change my mind so I can forget about tampons, pads and all the waste we produce with those. So I purchased one from OrganiCup because they have a super cool website with very useful step-by-step guide, beginner's tip, instructions, and I also have to mention their social impact because they donate menstrual cups to developing countries where girls cannot access period products that easily as us. So, this menstrual cup is made of 100% medical grade silicone, and a cup like this can hold the same amount of blood as 3 super tampons. And I would say for someone it might be easy to use, but I had to practice a lot to make it work. But I contacted their customer support, so they helped me to work it out, and I won't go into details how to use because OrganiCup has a super helpful video on their website. I also put the link below for you. But basically you just have to wash it, fold it, relax your body, insert, it will create a vacuum, and you can wear it up to 12 hours, and then you just have to remove it, wash it and repeat all over again. With this zero waste product you can reduce your waste because this is washable, reusable, and it needs practice, but I hope it will also work out for you. And now I will show you another period product. This is a period panty by This is Redy, a Hungarian brand. So I'm super proud of them. Yeah, if you didn't know, I'm Hungarian. So I'm super proud of this innovative product, because this product can be used without any additional period product. And you can say goodbye to tampons, pads, red skin and even smelly bean. It's comfy, it has a skin-friendly breathable material. Outside it looks like a swimwear, and inside it has a cotton cover which absorbs the blood. And depending on the type, it can absorb as much as 1 to 3 tampons. So yeah, it has more types. For example, The power panty is good for the heavier days, and this flow panty and the mesh panty are good for the lighter days, and they also have this bold panty which is good for the easy days, and they even have sanitary panties. So these are available in many sizes. You will find a very cool size guide on their website, and if you scroll down on their website you will find a subscription box, so you can subscribe to their newsletter, and with that you will get 10% off from your first order. And they also ship internationally. So time to check the pros and the cons. So these are washable, reusable, super comfy. They are available for an affordable price, and you can say goodbye to tampons and pads. The disadvantage is that these are not available in many colors. I have a bigger ass, so if I would wear skinny jeans, this edge would be very visible. This was the last sustainable product I wanted to show you, and now it's time to check how to reuse the liquids in the carry-on. So from this bag we can remove the deodorant because we have this, and we can also remove the shampoo because we have this one, and there's also a conditioner. I will also remove this. I use coconut oil as a conditioner, and I store it in this contact lens case. And the toothpaste can be replaced by the toothpaste tabs, and the makeup removal can be replaced by the facial cleansing balm. And only a few essentials will stay here, like body lotion, face cream, hand sanitizer, foundation and perfume. So we made it! If you're still watching, I'm super grateful, thanks a lot! And I hope you found it useful and learned something new. And I'm curious what kind of eco-friendly products you use. So please share them in the comments below, so maybe I can also discover some new eco-friendly toiletries for myself. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and you can also subscribe. And thanks again for watching, and see you next time. And cut! Spread the powder, spread the power, to spread the power,